Hey there flippers, and welcome back to Second Life Treasures. So on today's video we are heading back out to the Sunday boot fair. Obviously this is the first weekend where there's no Saturday boot fair to go to. So yeah, I've had a bit of a lie-in this weekend, which has been a bit of a treat. Yeah, it's a bit cold this morning, but I think all in all it should still be a good day. It was an absolutely amazing day last weekend. It just took me so long. I think I was there for 4 hours. 3 hours of that was just my first run through. Just literally everything, every stall, every time I was going to a stall, I was finding something good, and yeah, just an all-round really good weekend. So hopefully we have a repeat of that this weekend. But yeah, so let me get parked up, get you mounted on a backpack, and we'll see what we can find. You alright, mate?
Yeah.
How much do you have on?
You want the lot?
Yeah.
£50 the lot?
No, I'll do a tenner. I don't know what.
Sorry?
Don't know what the condition of any of them is. Tenner's the most I'll do on them.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go
Yeah.
tenner.
No, that's fine, mate. I'll leave you to it. Cheers. Excuse me. How much do you have on the Lonsdale boots?
Sorry?
How much do you have on them?
How much are they?
Yeah.
How much are they?
£3. I'll grab them.
Thank you.
Cheers.
That's all.
All right. Perfect. Cheers. Sorry, I was rummage. Alright, have a look.
Is it men's shoes you're after?
A bit of everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, they're mine. Sorry, cheers. What's the job on them ones?
Them one's £5.
5, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, I'll grab them as well.
Yeah, well, I'll calculate, couldn't I? I'll calculate.
Looks like an Enigma machine, doesn't it?
Yeah, it could be, yeah. It could be worth thousands.
Morning.
Good morning.
It's not set up, sir?
No, we're not set up. No, let's go. Buying a few things, like, yeah. Yeah, we're not same idea.
Yeah.
I think I've seen that somewhere. Yeah. Even if it's setting up, we're not. No. But,
Hey. Come on. You have? All of them.
What's the job on that? 2? Yeah, go on. Give it a go. What, for the cameras?
The cameras?
The cameras I was looking at, yeah.
Yeah, you can have them £1 each.
What you
Pound
mean?
each,
I
yeah.
won't take them. People still use cameras. Thank you. No, I've got £3.10p. I don't think any of them got SIM cards in still, hopefully, because God knows what's going to be on there.
Yeah.
That's my brother Nick.
Do you know what? You'd be surprised.
Come on, cowboy. Keep sun out your eyes.
Do you know what? I think I've got half a dozen of them in the loft.
24s, 22s, 20s, 18s.
Yeah, I'll grab those 3. See you.
Oh, that's a radio.
That's the radio, yeah.
Yeah, and it works.
There you go. You use it this afternoon. Use that today.
Hello, how are you, sir? Yeah, good.
You alright, mate? What's having that? £1, yeah? Perfect. You alright there?
Hello,
What's having that?
Oh, just a pound.
£1, yeah? There you go, sorry.
Thank you, man.
Right. Cheers.
Good, eh?
What's you have on it?
£5.
£5.
Yeah. I think it's 70. Who's David on there? 75, I think. 76.
77.
70. Oh, really? I was close.
One more and you'd have got it.
I was going to say, let's go now.
Yeah, go on, I'll grab that. Showing that?
£2.
Two.
It is really good, but it's massive.
£2.
Go then.
Yeah.
I've just put them in there so I can tell them. So you know I owe £1.
Sorry.
£10.
I'll just grab those vinyls and I'll have a look.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. That's £1.20 altogether.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can talk about it. Yeah. I'm just making it for you. I can talk about it. Yeah. So I can see it there. Yeah. But 2 in number. Yeah. And then there's number 4. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. No, we used to be. That's £1.20. Yeah. I think that's yeah. So easy. Yeah. Yeah. And then back. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. If I can get over them all, that's what we have right there. Why don't you put it on the
How much?
How much did you want for the vinyl?
Sorry?
How much did you want for the vinyl?
50 quid.
Yeah.
I've got to give you £2.20. So if you...
Do £2 for 5. Go on.
Okay. It's £2.20, so I've got it like that for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
There you go.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Let's go back down.
All the clothes you find on the floor, 50p, kids or adults. Books are 50p, shoes are 50p. Yeah, it's 3? 150. There we go, Janet. Thank you. Here we go. Yeah, go for it. Most of them are set. You'll find usually, I only read it as a set. Some of them might have gone. Yeah, yeah.
Staring at it all day.
That's new. So yeah, that comes with a belt. That's a small one.
Excuse me.
There we go. 150. 150. £1.
Excuse me. Just having that.
£2.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was 60 quid about 3 months ago. You want these out or are they with something else?
Oh no, put them back in, I remember. They want some at work.
So let's see what you could have won.
Put them on their coats.
Yeah, remember that.
Yeah, mate. Let's have a hi-fi.
Fiver?
Yeah, got him. You alright? The Blu-ray and the those two.
Okay,
Four.
£4, £1, and that's £5. So will you do that?
What's that?
£9.
Sure. Yeah?
£9.
That's just sumptuary then, you're in
Yeah, £10.
We said we would anyway, we'd help out. But...
How much was that?
That's £5.
5.
Brilliant. Thank you. Alright, thank you.
Oh look, these are still
Thank you.
You have got money, you've already made money.
Have you got the other one? No, just that one.
How much off for this one?
£10 per day.
Oh, yeah, go on.
That's mine.
Yeah, that's it. Then they've got more room. Whose money is this though? Is this mine?
Okay.
Alright, cheers.
Right.
One bit two.
What about the bag of Skylanders?
Joe, how much is your bag of Skylanders?
That's mine.
20
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. Cheers. What's she having that?
£3.
£3.
Yep. It's never been used.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great choice.
What about the Call of Duty glasses?
My son was £2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's having the Skylander stuff?
£3 for the lot, mate.
How much?
£3 for the lot.
3, yeah? Yeah, go on. There you go, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, thanks a lot.
There's also
That is very. I bet it is. What are you watching?
Sorry, mate. Sorry, cheers.
that's unusual.
What about the Blu-ray?
£2.
£3, yeah?
Go on, yeah. Go on, do it.
You've got to
Do
stay
it.
here all day, mate.
I might give him £8 for this shot, yeah.
Yeah, probably charge you £3 for that as well.
Yeah, free, mate.
£3, yeah?
I'm not going to say no, mate.
You do 2?
Yeah, of course, mate.
Yeah. There you go. I broke your run. How much is it on the t-shirt?
£22.
£2.
20.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
And these are 16s and 18s.
It's big though.
That's all right.
Oh, you was coming. You was earlier, weren't you?
I was here earlier, yeah.
No, he's really good. No, he's really good. No, I was just looking to see what they were, and you already had one.
Get HDMI.
I think I'm working.
Yeah, all right, mate. What's the job on those?
I'll do a tenner for the lot. That includes them as well. The loose ones. I'll do a tenner on the lot.
Yeah.
They've
go on.
all got gear in.
Yeah.
Henry Nille, good, smoother.
much you have on them, mate?
Altogether £5.
5, yeah. There you go, mate. Cheers. Perfect. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
What about the only Fools box set?
£5 again.
£5 again, yeah? Yeah. There you go, I'll give you that back then. Sorry.
Friday. Yeah.
Come on, mate, having them.
£5.
Ah, sorry, didn't see that there.
Take 4 for them though, but they are something like
Size 4.
getting on 100 quid. She wore them for teaching, painting and decorating.
Alright.
She had to teach it and had to have decent boots, and of course we got whatever make.
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a couple of days later. I've finally managed to go through and sort everything out that we picked up from the boot fair. And yeah, it was a really weird day because I got there a bit earlier than normal. I think I was there for about 20 to 6. And yeah, really struggled on my first go round. I think I only managed to pick up 3 things. Yeah, 3 things. It was only the second time round that I picked up most of the stuff that we see here. And then the third time, which I don't normally do for the Sunday boot fair, I don't normally do 3 rounds, I normally do 2. But yeah, on the third round, then I even managed to fill up another bag as well. So let's have a quick look at what we've got. So we've got a couple of sets of Skylanders. The bottom set has got 12 figures in, a Trap Team Portal, and Superchargers PS3 game. I have gone through, I've separated them all out and priced them all up. There's a couple that I'll bundle together and things like that. But all in all, I should get about £57 from all of the figures there. That'd be a profit of £25.69. We only paid £3 for that. Then we've got the bag of Skylanders. I will say the bag is empty at the moment. I have sorted out all the Skylanders. But there were 28 Spyro Adventure figures in there. And 21 Giants figures. In total, we should make about £65 off that, which would be a £38.84 profit. Then we've got the, is it Aiwa? I think that's how you pronounce it. Mini hi-fi system. Picked it up, looked really cool. It's really compact. I've got 2 speakers and all the cables and that for it. I have tested it, and the only problem with it is that the CD player doesn't read discs. So I'm going to have a look at that before we list it. But if we do manage to get it working, it will be a £20 sale price. So it's only going to be a £4.91 profit. Nothing major. Then we've got, what have we got? We've got the box of Beta Builder accessory boxes. So a Beta Builder is essentially Airfix's version of Lego. I've been picking them up whenever I see them, and they normally sell really, really well. So I paid £10 for this box, and in total we should make about £93 off all of that. So really chuffed with that. What that's doing is that's that's a couple of different listings. I think there's about 5 different listings, and yeah, not too bad. Then picked up a couple of Blu-ray players, some vinyl up the back there. The vinyl, We'll make a profit on everything except for the Billy Ocean. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going vinyl. We'll actually lose $1.99 on that, when we only paid 40p each. So yeah, that will get put aside. What else? We've got the Fisher Price toolkit. Paid a £5 for that. Should go for about 25. Then we've got a couple of pairs of boots, 2 pairs of DeWalt industrial boots, basically, both steel toe cap, and then the Lonsdale boxing shoes as well. Picked up a pair of these before. They sold fairly quickly after I listed them. So these ones, essentially they're brand new. There's no marks, no nothing on them. I don't think they've actually ever been used. And if they have, they've only been sort of on indoor surfaces. So yeah, got them. Then we've got a whole load of cameras. So we've got the 3 digital cameras there. Bit of a bust on them. So we paid £1 each. The Panasonic has got the battery, the catch on the battery is broken. Didn't realise that at the time. So yeah, the bottom cover doesn't close properly. The Nikon at the front, the battery was bloated, so I've had to throw that away. And I'll say the Sony I haven't actually tested yet, but it looks all good. Just need to get some charge in the battery. Yeah, so we'll look at, if we can get all 3 of them working, we'll look at about £20. £20 for the Panasonic and the Sony, and then £15 for the Nikon. But the Fuji camera at the back there, that is a really good find. I'm just trying to find it on my list. There we go. So that should sell for about £40. So not too bad. And then the Travel Monopoly. So I picked this up because I have never seen Travel Monopoly in this edition before. It is, let me just scroll up. You go, 1984, and yeah, hadn't seen it in this form before, so I decided to pick it up. Doesn't actually sell for that much, only sells for about £8. So once it's all said and done, it will be a £2 profit. Then as well, right towards the end, we picked up the Harley Davidson t-shirt. It is a genuine Harley Davidson t-shirt. It's size 4XL and it's from 2017. So we paid £2 for that. Should sell for about £25, which would be a £15.29 profit. We've also got the adder machine. I can't actually fit it on the table. I've actually got it just down there. That one we paid £2 for. Should sell for about £40, which is quite good. But the absolute cracker for today is this. So I just picked it up. I saw it, it looked cool, just decided to pick it up. It is basically a candle holder. So let me just put my tablet down. So if I turn it round, you basically put a little tea light in there and it lights up all the windows basically. Paid £3 for it, and when looking it up online, it is highly sought after. So I saw a listing on Amazon for £123, and there are listings on eBay for around sort of £70 to £100 on it as well. So I've put a £100 price on it because a lot of the lower ones at 70 are in the US. So there's about £30 or £40 shipping on that as well. So I'm about right where everyone else is. It's brand new. As I say, it's 2019 Disney store. So this was actually, the wife actually looked it up for me when I was showing her it. This was actually the last Christmas that the Disney store was open. Disney have now shut all of their Disney stores. So I think that's one of the reasons why it's so sought after. So yeah, £100 I'm going to list it for. That would be a £73.90 profit if we manage to sell it. So yeah, not too bad at all. So that is everything that we've picked up today. So let me switch to the other camera and then we'll run through the totals. Okay, so that is all of the pickups for today. And yeah, let's just say there's been a couple of developments since I recorded that part of the video. I have been feeling absolutely rotten the last couple of days, and it turns out that I'm going through my second bout of the Big C. Yeah, it's not as bad as the first time, but still not great. So there won't be any boot fairs for me this weekend, unfortunately. I am hoping that by the weekend I am starting to feel a bit better and not coughing as much. But if things don't change, I probably will end up having to take a bit of time off next week from uploading. Just because just before filming this part, and that's why I'm actually sat downstairs in the living room. I was filming something for my other channel, and yeah, it's probably the hardest video I've ever had to film. So yeah, I'll see how I feel over the weekend as to whether I put anything out next week. But before we wrap up, let's quickly run through the totals for today. So total price of everything picked up was £70. Total expected sale price of everything is £753, and that would land us a potential profit of £422.93. And then our time spent, so we had 3 hours and 36 minutes at the boot fair. We've got 42 items to list, and that would work out at 6 minutes an item, 4 hours and 2 minutes. So that's total time, time investment of 7 hours and 38 minutes. And that would work out to be a £54.22 per hour earning. So yes, but with that, I am going to wrap the video up there, as I say, before I get into a massive coughing fit. But if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not already, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to be kept up to date when I upload new videos. And yeah, with that said, thank you so much for watching today. Really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye.